Is there a snorer in your bedroom? You just want one good night's sleep. But no matter what you try, his snoring becomes your restless night and groggy, irritable next day. Until now. Introducing Hupnos, the first ever self-learning snore-canceling mask for refreshed sleep. Simply activate the personalized smartphone app and then slide on the Hupnos mask. While your partner sleeps, the Hupnos app monitors the sound of their breathing and then automatically initiates one of two active components in the mask. First, it gently vibrates when snoring is detected. This encourages a change in sleeping position to open the airway and allow a clear path for breathing and a sound sleep for you. And second, if needed, it activates an EPAP in the mask, which automatically increases exhalation pressure, ensuring the airway remains open to eliminate snoring. The Hupnos app monitors individual patterns, so your partner is guaranteed to breathe quietly throughout the night, so you both get restful sleep. Hupnos is constructed of hypoallergenic, BPA-free, medical-grade material with a soft, gentle, and form-fitted design based on a clinical study of 4,000 facial structures. And it's travel-friendly. We created Hupnos because we know snoring affects over 50% of the population, and it was important for us to find a natural solution that could be used for better, more restful sleep. Because better sleep is one of the most important factors to maintain a healthy, productive life. And it couldn't hurt your relationship either. Best of all, by backing us here on Indiegogo, you can start that journey to snore-free sleep with the very first use. So you can keep doing this, or you can start sleeping refreshed with Hupnos.